We are a good 15 years into the 21st century. The world has changed a lot, and so have our education system. But what has not changed is the inertia in the incorporation of new systems in this. Thus, today I'm going to talk about something that's become very relevant today. Computers. Computers have steadily entered into all aspects of our daily life. With their ubiquitous usage, now everywhere you go, you have to use a computer in some way or the other. The need of the world in general and our developing country in particular that all personnel are equipped with the basic knowledge of and technical know-how of the usage of computing and programming. By this, I do not mean that everyone should be programming software for commercial purposes or working in IT firms. What do I advocate is the basic self-sufficiency in making software and a limited amount of hardware is in place in workplace and for their entrepreneurial needs so that everyone becomes well equipped to suit for themselves. Our system has taken some steps towards making everyone digitally literate, with computers being introduced as a basic part of the curriculum. Then, what's stopping everyone? The problem lies in perception. The general mind who does not know programming thinks programming is like this. Change this perception. The answer is simple. We go back to the fundamentals. There are a multitude of solutions in the programming world, perhaps more than the problems themselves. We have Scratch, a drag and drop based programming interface. We have Code.org, Coursera, Code Academy, and multitude of such stuff which brings about intuitive learning for computers. By this, I do not intend to take quantum leaps and disrupt the system, but adding this only upgrades the system, making it more intuitive. A person who has to adapt will not be confused, but rather his fundamentals would remain the same. Only the approach is changed. Step forth in the future.